What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about this Kieslect calling watch Ks Pro. I have used many other Kieslect watches like Kieslect Ks Pro, Kieslect Laura. Actually my girlfriend Thea uses a Kieslect Laura, but after I have noticed that Kieslect has released this new Kieslect Ks Pro, and as this one comes with a very good price tag, this Kieslect Ks Pro costs less than $100 US. If you are lucky enough, you'll be able to get this Kieslect Ks Pro even less than $90 US. So when I compare price per performance, this Ks Pro definitely offers a very good value for money. Well, we will start from unboxing and then we will go through the features, we will check the application and everything. But before we start this video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, the first thing I like about this Kieslect Ks Pro is its build quality. Kieslect has used premium materials to manufacture this product. Kieslect Ks Pro has a metal housing, metal frame, and at the rear panel, they have used a very good quality polycarbonate. In terms of build quality, Kieslect Ks Pro gets 10 out of 10. And I think it's worth mentioning, Kieslect Ks Pro has got IP68 certification, so definitely Ks Pro is dust and waterproof. Well, outlook and appearance is always a bit subjective. Different people has their different ideas and different type of choices. But I think this monochrome design is much more elegant and has a posh vibe. On the left, there is a very big cutout for the loudspeaker. The loudspeaker offers a very good sound quality. Even at full volume, there is no distortion. It always offers crisp and clear sound quality. On the right, there are two buttons. The first one is a crown. It's a digital crown and offers a very good haptic feedback. On the crown, Kieslect has also printed their logo, the K, and altogether it really looks very nice. Gorgeous, I should say. The microphone is located in between the buttons. Well, the word gorgeous actually goes more with the display panel of this Kieslect Ks Pro. It is equipped with a 2.01-inch super large AMOLED display panel which also supports AOD, always on display. 410 by 502 pixel resolution. That means this Ks Pro has very high pixel per inch density. And you know what? This is the first smartwatch that costs less than $100 or maybe even if you spend $200, you won't find another smartwatch which comes with a display panel which goes up to 1000 nit brightness. That's really pretty cool. Well, Kieslect Ks Pro is powered by Kieslect OS. This operating system is a very good one, a super optimized one. Before we talk about the features and the application, I wanna talk about the battery life because Kieslect Ks Pro comes with 300 mAh battery. 300 mAh is a very big one for a smartwatch, and yes, it offers a very long standby time, like 20 days of standby time. And me and Thea, we both have used this smartwatch. Thea can use this smartwatch for up to 16 days because she isn't a heavy user, she is a light user, and I have managed to squeeze up to 2.5 days with heavy usage along with always on display. Without always on display, I can squeeze up to 4 to 5 days, and when I go through typical usage pattern, I can squeeze up to 7 to 8 days of battery life. Well, Ks Pro not only offers a very long usage time, It also gets charged very quickly, only 2 hours. And it's good to see that Kieslect has offered a very good quality charging pack inside the box. Well, now it's time to talk about the special features of Kieslect Ks Pro. The first thing I like about this smartwatch, this Ks Pro, is it supports Bluetooth 5.2 calling and offers very stable connectivity. Call quality is crisp and clear. I have never felt any issues. I can receive or make a phone call from the smartwatch. And yeah, the customizable button, I have customized it to the phone application. I just click on the button and voila, bang, I am on the phone application. The second thing that has made me super satisfied is health tracking or health monitoring data. Kieslect Ks Pro supports 24-hour heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen saturation monitoring, sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, emotion monitoring, and also offers breath training. After using this smartwatch for a few days, I have noticed that heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen saturation monitoring is as perfect as it should be. Kieslect Ks Pro offers a very accurate heart monitoring data. Sleep time monitoring is also as good as any other flagship smartwatches. Yeah, even if I wake up in the middle of a night for a few minutes, Kieslect Ks Pro will record the data correctly without any error or any lag. Among other features, there are a few features those are worth mentioning, like weather forecast. This Kieslect Ks Pro offers a very detailed weather forecast. It has built-in games, which I don't play, but my girlfriend Thea enjoys a lot. It has this feature where we can find our phone or the smartwatch. It's vice versa. We get notification. This is really a great thing. We not only get notification, we can also open the notification and check the details of the notification. I think I cannot finish talking about the features within a short time because there are a lot of features. This is a feature-packed smartwatch. Kieslect Ks Pro supports AI voice assistant. Like if your smartphone has this Google Assistant, then you can easily access to that assistant through this Kieslect Ks Pro. We can also control the camera of our smartphone from this Kieslect Ks Pro. Cool. Kudos to Kieslect. Finally, I know most of the people would buy a smartwatch only for sports modes and to track health or workout data. So how many sports modes does this Kieslect Ks Pro support? Hundreds of sports modes are supported by this Kieslect Ks Pro. Some of the sports modes or workouts, I don't even know about those. And you know what? There is another thing so very cool is we can check the history of our workouts on the smartwatch. We don't even need to open the application. Well, talking about the application, we need this KaiOS application, which is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. It's easy to download this application and just follow the on-screen guidance. You will be able to connect your smartwatch with your smartphone within a few minutes. It's a very easy one-step pairing. Well, inside the application, we can check activity, workouts, our device status. We can change faces. Watch faces. There are more than 200 watch faces. I cannot show you all the faces. Let me show you a few watch faces which me and Thea we both like. I'm not gonna lengthen in this video by converting this review into a tutorial, but let me show you something. Well, there are 4 different segments. The first one is reminder, the second one is general functions, the third one is auto track, and the fourth one is settings. Inside these 4 segments, there are a lot of features which we can activate and customize based on our personal preferences. Well, that's all about this Kieslect Ks Pro. Me and Thea, we both are in love with this smartwatch because this one not only works perfectly fine, this Kieslect Ks Pro actually works like a flagship smartwatch. So I have left a link of this Kieslect Ks Pro in the description box below. If you are interested, go ahead, check the product. But before you go, one request: if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.